Hi friends, in this video tutorial we would study how to use the if function in Power Query in Microsoft Excel. So we have some data with us in which we have the names of the candidates and their portfolio scores and application scores. Now we want to filter this data and call only those employees or those candidates for interview whose sum of portfolio scores plus application scores is greater than or equal to 13. So let me show you how you can do that in Power Query. First, click anywhere inside the data, right click and select Get Data from Table/Range. Now we want to add one column called as Interview. So we'll click on Add Column and select Custom Column. We'll give the custom column the name as Interview. And over here we'll construct a if function. So we'll type if portfolio score plus application score is greater than or equal to 13, then in quotation marks we'll type interview, else we'll just type a blank space. So you can see there are no syntax errors. So the formula we have constructed is if portfolio score plus application score is greater than or equal to 13, then in the interview column put the words interview, else keep it blank. We'll click on OK and a new column gets created, and wherever the sum of portfolio score plus application score is greater than or equal to 13, it will put the word interview, otherwise it will keep it blank. Now we want to filter the data, so we click over here and we select only interview and click on OK. So these are the candidates could be called for interview. Now we can click on Home and select Close and Load, and this will migrate this data into Excel. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.